Hello guys, welcome back. Last time we learnt about methods and functions and procedures and parameters. Today we want to look at how we can combine functions. So, for an example, let's make two functions, one to add and one to multiply. So first, to make a function, I have to type def. def. I'm going to call it add, it's a good name for this, and then 1, 2. So, there we are. And then I want to return the two numbers added together. So 1 plus 2. There we go. Nice and simple. And now I want to make a second function to do multiplication. So I write def multi, or even times, might be a good name for it. And then I write 1 times 2. Times, sorry. 1, 2. What am I on today? And then I put a colon in there. And then I return 1 times 2. So I have now got two functions there, which will both return something. So I could write here, just demonstrate you both can work before we do anything else, print add 2, 3. So adding 2 and 3 should give us 5. Just check, oh, there we are, good, that's given us 5. And if I write times, it's come out as 6. So 2 times 3 is 6. Perfect. Please note, guys, I've used the same variable names in each because anything declared as a parameter is a local variable and only counts inside the function or method. Okay, so that will simplify what I've done there for you a bit, I hope. Okay. Now, the reason I've done these two, guys, is because I want to show you something, okay? I want to show you how you can combine functions together. So, I want to multiply 2 by 4 plus 3. How will I do that? Well, here I just change it to add, and then I type in 4, 3. So now, I can see that this will be 7 and times 2 is 14. So let's see if this works out. Perfect. There we are. So you can now see, guys, by using return types, we can put functions together to work together, which can, as you will find out in the worksheet, be quite simple and save you a lot of time. Okay? So good luck experimenting, and I look forward to seeing your worksheet later. Adios.